Hey, welcome back to one of my normal professional cooking videos. Boom! Tricked you. You believed that. You really believed I'm a cooking guy? No. Oh, Albert's name, his real name is actually Alberto. Boom! Tricked you. You believed me. You really believed me. So, if you could tell, I'm wearing red, white, and blue. Pretty patriotic. So, the instructions, you have to open the one end of it. You put 2 plates. Put one on here, and so you wanna, it says 90 minutes, 80 to 90 minutes, and keep it like that. It's not gonna explode, I swear, I promise. I've done this many times that I've eaten it. So it says to put it on 90 seconds, but I always put it on it and then add 30 seconds. So while we wait for that to cook and stuff, sometimes I listen very carefully. I can hear thousands of voices telling me to kill myself. And I always wonder the same thing. Why can I hear them only on Tuesdays? Oh, it's ready. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out of the microwave. Oh. So now we take it out of the bag, the thingy. Ha! Put it on your second plate. So the bread should be nice and good. Actually, I don't want to throw away that plate. So put the bread on a separate plate because the bread should be nice and warm and toasty. So put it on the first plate. Now with the chicken, so whilst that's stewing, we need to put the dog in the microwave. So the chicken isn't 100% cooked, so throw it back in the microwave. Oh yeah, keep the microwave 100% power. I don't know how to lower the power. It's nice. Add 30 seconds if you can on your microwave. If you have one that doesn't have that, what the fetch are you doing with your life, and why don't you? What the heck is? What the? You can shut up. Okay. Now it should be done, I think. So you gotta let it cool off for a while. And then I'm gonna eat it and I'll tell you, I don't know, that's the video. There's nothing, I don't have anything else. That's it. I made it, I'm gonna eat it.